Good evening, everyone. My name is Cedric Wong. I'm professionally electronics engineer, and I would have quite a long time experience in product development, design, and research and development, and also some technology management experience in the field. Today, I would like to introduce to every one of you about some patent system and basic concept and how it related to business strategy of how to make use of intellectual property strategy to integrate with the business strategy. And I would like to introduce some of our professional patent technology management services with my partner Dr. KK Chen. This presentation is written in Chinese. So the first issue I would like to explain is the concept of invention. Invention means to integrate or reorganize or design some basic natural phenomenon with the means of technical characters to create some useful products and service and to solve some problems. So detailed definitions of invention, anyone interested can click into this link and to exhaustively understand the concept. Another important concept is innovation. Basically, innovation means to reorganize those components to make some new products and services to value added the societies with economic returns. Usually we call this architectural innovation. Of course, innovation has another form such as radical innovation and, for example, business process innovation, etc., etc. So if we enlarge the concept, intellectual properties should be regarded as one of the more macro views of describing those invention and innovation. So intellectual properties means, for example, trademark, patent, copyright, music, literature, etc., and etc. So basically, anyone interested in the Chinese patent system, you may take a look at this website. Sorry. In those national organized patent database, you can search and do data analysis for those registered or filed in those databases. Similarly, in US or in other countries, you can find similar national operated patent base, such as USA. So the criteria of the patent bureau to approve your patent files based on three principles. For example, originality, novelty, and utilities. This is operated in China, okay? First, but different country may have a little bit difference. For example, in USA, they will consider an add upon non-obviousness, okay? These articles in English quite clearly explain those three criteria of the US patent bureaus. Okay, let us see a little bit about the patent document. Okay, usually we have a few of the name. This is one of my patent. Okay, so in those fields you must have the title of your patent so that everyone recognize what you are doing in those database, and the inventors or assignee. Okay, assignee is the owner of the patent, and also the prior art and also the abstract summary of what you are inventing. Okay, this is the front page. Usually you will make some picture in those front page. This is a patent related to some integrated IC design of one of my patents in around 10 years ago published. So the patent body will then written in details, usually written by those patent agents. You have to describe in detail the background of invention, and the summary of your invention in very, very detailed written format. Usually this is the work of those patent agents. So most important, after you describe in details of what you invent, then you have to carefully make those claims, which is your rights, and to protect your invention if your products or services will deliver in the public. So this aspects I would like to explain is how you can integrate your intellectual property strategy into your business strategy, or more precisely into your technology development strategy. So our services for those technology or manufacturing enterprise, usually we focus in this market. We provide patent consultancy services, and we will provide full angle to help you to make your or realize your technology business strategy with the means of IP. We are more specialized in production and technology enterprise. Roughly, we provide the following services. First, we help the enterprise to related to technical patent document development and claims planning, so that the patent agent can more precisely know what you want to do, so that to optimize the patent's value. Secondly, we have the enterprise technology audit what you have. Those technology provide advice your technology development roadmap in related to technology patent development and business strategy. We will also have the enterprise to license into those related technology from, particularly in Hong Kong University and Science Park, or all those government operated or subsidized, such as LAMI technology, integrated circuit technology, communication technology from those body. So roughly we introduce those innovation funding or anything which can help your company to outsource those available technology for your innovation and technology development. And I don't want to elaborate here, so you can read it through. So by means of our professional services, we will help the enterprise to enhance their technology level to achieve their different business strategy or business and intent of what you want to do in, for example, 3 years, 5 years coming. I would like to make a simple invention example to illustrate a little bit my explanation. For example, this is a SMT UVC based hygiene mask. You can see we have a sketch, and we have those basically it is my invention, okay? Because I'm quite interested in inventing something. Okay, this is a mask, okay? To let by the proper design of the air duct, you can let the air to flow in and flow out, and you can mount to a UVC LED in suitable locations so that the air can be disinfected. This is those second design. Okay, so for example, someone proposes products innovation. So what we do is have your company to technology audit of your company, whether you have the appropriate technology, whether you need to license into key technology to help you to realize and the products. For example, we'll advise you some critical suppliers. Also, we help you to audit your market, audit your production technology and cost audit, etc. And also, most importantly, we would help you to develop those patent documents. If necessary, we help you to apply those innovation fund, and we will make the whole process, including your advice, including we will provide some advice in R&D, production, and also other necessary consultation. Okay, this is already 11 minutes, so I would like to raise your interest in our services. And if you have any interest in our services, you can contact me, Cedric Wong, or our partner, Dr. KK Chan, for further discussion. Thank you very much.